You must do these three things if you want to grow in this YouTube space, right? So the last third of this video is the one that will really make your channel grow in this online space. I want to take this channel as an example to show you guys what I'm saying and what I'm talking about. In my first video, in the first one day, 24 hours, I get 16 impressions on my first video. And when I post the second video, I get 10 impressions in the first 24 hours. But when I do these three things on my channel, I see that I have more than 100 impression views on my second video within the 6 hours of doing these things. And I can tell you, for those that have been in this online space before this channel is created, can grow more than this in this online space. And that's why I want to show you these things and this opportunity for you to grow on this YouTube. First thing you need to do, you need something we call SEO. You need to do SEO for your video. Do proper SEO. Don't let any big YouTuber deceive you about tag or something. You need tag. New creator on this YouTube, you need tag until you gain monetization, you gain more visibility, and just stop using tag. But when you just started, you are still looking for a monetization, you need tag because you need YouTube search at first. Forget about people that are saying or talking about the YouTube suggestions. Forget about it. You need what we call YouTube search for you to grow in this online space. Without small visibility that you have, you cannot grow. You need to gain more visibility first before YouTube started recommending your videos to others. The first thing you need to do is that go to your ChatGPT, any AI that you have, give the ChatGPT the title of the video you want to upload, and it will give you tag that you can use, descriptions, and all the stuff that you can use. Even it can give you prompt for the thumbnail that you can use. I use this channel as an example. You can go to the about of this channel and see when I create this channel and see what I'm talking about right now. What you need to do is that your first 1 to 10 video is for you to gain more visibility. That's why you need tag for your first 10 video for you to gain YouTube search. As people are searching for your video, YouTube will recommend your videos too. That's how you gain more visibility in this online space. That's the first things you need to learn. And the second thing is how to change your title. When you first upload your videos on YouTube and in the next 24 hours, your video doesn't get impressions, what you need to do is that you choose the title or you change the title. Like, go to your ChatGPT, give ChatGPT the title, let it choose the title for you, like give you another 10 title that relate with the title you are using before. Change this title in the 24 hours, and if you change the title and you didn't say any changes, there's another things for you to change, which is the third step that I will talk about. But you need to understand this very well before you change your title. Wait for 24 hours. Any video that you post that doesn't reach 1k impression in 24 hours, you need to do something to that video for you to grow. Don't just leave it. Like, people will tell you that you just get started. You don't need to be rushing yourself. No, rush yourself. If you don't rush yourself, YouTube will not push your video, right? Change the title to a new title. Go and see all your big YouTuber, big creators. If they drop video and the video doesn't get up to 1k views in 24 hours, they will change the title or change the other things from the video, right? So that's what you need to do as step 3. So this last step is what that will work for you. Even if you change your title, you change your tag, you do everything and you doesn't get anything, this will work for you. The third thing right here is your thumbnail. I can tell you, when you upload your video for the first time with one thumbnail, right? Use one thumbnail when you upload your video. And you upload that video in 24 hours and the video doesn't get impression. What you need to do at that time is create another 2 thumbnail that's different from the first one that you create. So if you leave the video for 24 hours and doesn't get impression, doesn't give you the kind of views that you want, what you need to do is to create another 2 thumbnail for it. Then go to your YouTube studio, go to your thumbnail and test this thumbnail. Use the 3 thumbnail together at that time and leave the video for 24 hours and see what it will change on your channel. The reason why I'm telling you this is that on my first YouTube channel, when I just started, I post up to like 15 video on my channel and I didn't get visibility until I come into the full YouTuber. Like, I want to be a full-time YouTuber on this channel. That's when my first video go viral. But I still think that, why do this video go viral? What did I do? The thing is, if people are not coming to your channel, YouTube will not promote your channel. Or if you are not doing anything around your video after you upload, YouTube will not take you serious. That's why you need to do these 3 things. Add your tag, change your tag if it's not working. Or tag is not the main thing, okay? Or your title and your thumbnail, you need to work with it very well. Work with your title and your thumbnail very well. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video and share it so that other new small creators can see this video. I created these channels to put you guys through how you can grow fast in this online. What works for me might not work for you, but this will surely work for you because I see that I've tried it on my new channel, it works, and I try it on this new channels too, and it's working for me.